Hello all, welcome to my channel, FantaBH here, which supports temperature measuring. We will check that. Cables are quality is quite nice, I would say. Not real silicone, but these are probes which looks very cheap, really. At least we have these top insulations which can prevent, when you're measuring something on the board, prevent casual shorting elements. Three buttons here, no buttons here, here power button, LED light behind, a little smiley here, where eyes are holes for sound, I would say. Power on, no, it must be, it use some kind of battery, and yep, this is covered. It says 2 batteries AAA 1.5 volts. 1, 2. Nice indeed. Power on. It tells you instantly that it's true RMS, 6000 counts, and let's connect probes. Almost 0 ohms, 0, 1, 0 ohms leads, so it should show 0, 1. Yep. 0, 5. Nice. 1 ohm. Nice. 100 kilo ohms. Nice. 1 mega ohm. 10 mega ohm. A little off, but it's okay. It's in declared range, so ohm meter working properly. Volt, this is DC AC 600 volts, so up to 600. Can I measure main instantly in auto mode, or we going to blow some fuse in my house? Red light, 230 volts, 50 hertz. Nice. Auto mode. That is what I do like. Capacitance. Does it work in auto mode? That would be one of the first instruments which support full auto mode. No. When we are in diode mode, let's see, diode, it lit and 2.7 volts. Nice. It should work to 3 volts, I don't know. Nanofarads. Now we can measure. This is surprise for me. 20 picofarad detected. 23 picofarad it says, but it's detected. That is very nice. 330 nanofarad. Okay. Some bigger. Let's discharge it and let's see what it will say. Switch it to microfarads and 222. Nicely done. 10,000 microfarads. Let's discharge it. And let's see what and how fast. It need time. 8.93 millifarads. That is what it says. I didn't check with precision LCR meter this capacitor, so don't know exact, but it says 8.9. How it beeps? Selection. Beep. Let me see. Very fast, very responsive, very nice. 10 millivolts at the moment going. Oh, let's see. Oh, please. It's 10 millivolts, it's not resistance. You see what it do? It's not so good in no, this was not auto mode. Okay, now we are in auto mode. Let's see what it do. Same like before. Let's see how it will detect 2.5 volts. 2 point close enough, but what is with voltage below 1 volt? 5 volt, 7.5. So it's working on a higher voltage, but 0.1 volt from my power supply. Now it does not have anything. Zero point 2 volts, 0.3 volts, 0.4 volts, 0.5, and it still measures kilo ohms. 0.6, and it started from 0.6, 0.5. Now it measures 0.4, 0.3, it goes to kilo ohm. So it have issues with measuring voltage below 0.5 volts. That is very bad. So we are in DC milliampere range automatically. Let me see how it will do the job with milliamps. So we have 10 milliamps. 10 milliamps. 10 milliamps. Okay, we could say okay. 150 milliamps. Good one, and 15 milliamps. Very nice. So milliamps working properly. So I sending limited 1 amp. Let me see how it will detect. 1 amp. 2 amp, 4 amps, 7 amps. Will it blow fuse on 10 or give beep? It will give beep. Nice. I drop it down to 1 amp. And you see, when you measure anything above some range, it going red screen. So I have no doubt it can measure 50 degrees, 100 degrees and so on, but I always wanna see how it will measure my body temperature. I will give him some time, but truly it has some issue with getting my temperature properly. No, pure precision, I would say. It's not for some precision, but for reference it can be used, no problem at all. It's cheap. There are better instruments out there for same price range, but this one is good enough as well. Just keep in mind 500 millivolts and lower, it will not measure you. Thank you for watching and see you with next video.